Now, while it's not yet been implemented, the so-called vaccine pass that restricts unvaccinated people from entering public facilities has led to a heated debate among South Koreans. Some people believe it's necessary for the return to pre-pandemic life, but others strongly oppose, saying that it violates people's rights. Our Suk-hyen reports.
As infections continue to rise among those unvaccinated or partially vaccinated, South Korea is reviewing a new system that only allows vaccinated people access to certain places such as movie theaters and museums. The so-called vaccine pass has not been introduced yet, but it's still been met with much controversy. According to a survey commissioned by a local news agency, 64.4% of respondents were in favor of the introduction of a vaccine pass, while 29% were against the idea. Only 6.6% said they did not know or didn't have an opinion about the matter. Those who support the system say it has several benefits.
If introduced, I think more people will feel the need to get vaccinated. I also think people will be able to move around freely.
Other countries are also gradually introducing similar systems, so I think it will be okay if we have it in our country since many are getting vaccinated.
However, some argue that vaccination is a matter of choice, so unvaccinated people should not be penalized in this way. They fear that if the system is implemented, it will discriminate against those who have not been vaccinated. While experts understand that such policies might be necessary to bring life back to normal, they also stress that the government should look into ways to avoid infringing on the rights of unvaccinated people.
If unvaccinated people are to face restrictions, they should not feel uncomfortable living their daily life. I think they should be allowed to use public facilities just like now, but be restricted from high-risk facilities.
Health officials have said that the vaccine pass is not intended to discriminate or unfairly disadvantage those who have not been vaccinated. They vow to thoroughly review the system so that unvaccinated people will not experience discomfort. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.